Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the especially sort of past week, acquiring 29.42% amazingly. The cost of Axie limitlessness truly rose by 15.21% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As far as Axie's support floor, it basically is currently $10.21, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking, or so they thought. Axie in a real sense has its truly next opposition at $11.87, or so they truly thought. 30 October 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense, in a real sense walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these often basically clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is truly momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness certainly is Axie a very wise venture, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so forth, which generally is very huge. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the Axie's specialized examination, for the most part allowed us in a real sense to discuss the by and large current economic situations, exhibiting how Axie vastness support and opposition levels and so on, really in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Market investigation over the for the most part last 24 hours, there in a real sense basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, truly whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247, or so they by and large thought. The absolute exchanging volume generally remains at $33,863,355,643, which in a real sense is very huge, or so they thought. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, which certainly generally is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time span, showing how which certainly in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, or so they truly thought, which is genuinely huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.86 and right now exchanging at 56 cents, which truly is very huge in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how the cost of Axie limitlessness in every way that really matters rose by 15.21% in the past 24 hours, kind of sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions very show that the market essentially is going in a very descending heading for pretty momentary, in a kind of especially significant manner. As of now, a kind of genuinely broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, most certainly especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly generally are significant specialized markers used to basically especially recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction essentially is a level at which merchants sort of especially become move genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, or so they generally thought in a kind of significant manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Axie endlessness, Axie, Axie limitlessness execution. The day-to-day diagram of Axie boundlessness sort of shows that the Axie cost in every practical sense has for the most part flooded up with a 15.21% increment in exceptionally beyond 24 hours, so support sort of is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become sort of more especially truly dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they by and large thought. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness Axie's coin basically is remaining at $5.78, with market capitalization $817,064,093 United States dollars, showing how 30 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense generally walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now, or for certainly all things considered. 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense clarified some things, facts, what in a real sense basically is especially momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, explicitly is Axie's an entirely wise interest in an especially truly significant manner, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie's cost changes 29.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $276,275,383 United States dollars, exhibiting that Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, which really is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 30 October 2023, inside a for the most part everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, in every way that really matters, further appearance how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 29.42%, which truly is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. We utilize commonly in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly extremely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to especially examine the future development of the Axie boundlessness, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way in fact. The Axie limitlessness certainly truly has generally break all its truly upholds levels, and things especially truly are not looking pretty especially great for the crypto market, so support especially is a level at which purchasers certainly become commonly essentially more truly kind of dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they explicitly thought. Right now, in every practical sense, bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Axie's cost beneath the urgent help level of $10.21, which sort of truly is genuinely huge. The MACD line certainly for the most part is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, which in a real sense all things considered, is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the fundamentally day-to-day diagram, in every practical sense, further appearance, how the MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the especially in every way that really matters, signal line after a hybrid, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking.